What if I told you that one of the most balanced sport bikes just got even better in 2026? A machine that's aggressive but comfortable, fast but beginner-friendly. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Kawasaki Ninja 650 2026. And trust me, this might just be the perfect middleweight sport bike for you. Stay till the end because I'll tell you whether this bike is still worth buying in 2026 or if there are better options out there. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the design. The 2026 Ninja 650 continues Kawasaki's aggressive design language, inspired by its bigger siblings like the ZX series. But this year, Kawasaki has made subtle yet noticeable upgrades. At the front, you get sharper LED headlights that look more modern and intimidating. The fairing has been slightly refined for better aerodynamics, giving it a cleaner and more premium appearance. The fuel tank design remains muscular, and the graphics for 2026 are more bold and eye-catching, especially in the iconic green and black color scheme. From the side profile, the bike looks sporty yet practical, not too bulky, not too slim. The tail section is sleek, and the LED tail light adds to that premium feel. Overall, the Ninja 650 doesn't scream race bike like a super sport, but it definitely looks aggressive enough to turn heads on the street. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine, the engine. The Ninja 650 2026 continues with its proven 649cc parallel twin engine. This engine produces around 67 horsepower and about 64 newton-meters of torque. Now, these numbers might not sound crazy compared to leader-class bikes, but here's the thing. This bike is not about extreme speed, it's about usable performance. The power delivery is smooth and linear, which makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. You don't get that aggressive, sudden power spike. Instead, it builds gradually, giving you confidence while riding. In city conditions, the bike feels very manageable. The throttle response is smooth, and you won't feel overwhelmed even in traffic. On highways, the Ninja 650 really shines. It can comfortably cruise at high speeds, and when you twist the throttle, it has enough power for quick overtakes. The 6 gearbox is smooth, and the clutch is light, making it easy for daily use. Some variants may also come with a slipper clutch, which helps during aggressive downshifting. Top speed? You can expect around 130 to 140 miles per hour depending on conditions. Now here's where the Ninja 650 really stands out: comfort. Unlike super sport bikes, this is designed for real-world riding. The riding position is slightly sporty but not aggressive. The handlebars are higher, the foot pegs are not too rear set, and the seat is comfortable enough for long rides. For daily commuting, this bike is actually very practical. You won't feel wrist pain or back pain, even after long rides. The seat height is around 790 millimeters, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear. It's tuned more towards comfort than track performance. So on rough roads or city streets, the bike handles bumps quite well. Even on long highway rides, the comfort level is impressive for a sport bike. Now let's talk about technology, and this is where the 2026 model gets interesting. You get a full-colored TFT display, which looks modern and premium. It shows speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and more. You also get smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth. You can connect your phone and access ride data, notifications, and more through Kawasaki's app. The bike also comes with traction control, which adds an extra layer of safety, especially useful for beginners or wet road conditions. ABS comes standard, ensuring better braking control. LED lighting all around gives it a modern touch. Some rumors suggest that the 2026 model might include riding modes, but that depends on the variant and market. Overall, the features are not overloaded, but they are practical and useful for everyday riding. Let's